Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Nvidia Control Panel display settings missing or not showing up. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply ensure that our Nvidia graphics card is connected to our computer properly. And we can easily check that by going down and selecting the Windows Start button. Then just type Device Manager. Select Device Manager under Best Match. Then in the Device Manager, we just want to expand Display Adapters, and you should see your Nvidia graphics card right here. If you don't see that, then it may mean that your graphics card is no longer working or is not connected properly to your computer. After we check the Device Manager, if you're still not seeing the display settings within the Nvidia Control Panel, I recommend performing an update of the driver for your Nvidia graphics card. And you can easily do that by simply opening up the GeForce Experience, then selecting Drivers in the top left, and then selecting Download. Once they download, then it will go through the installation process for your Nvidia graphics card drivers. Once the drivers are updated, if you're still not seeing the display settings within the Nvidia Control Panel, it probably means there's an issue with the Nvidia service on your computer. So what I recommend doing is going down to the Windows Start button, typing Services. Once this opens, simply scroll down until we get to Nvidia. And in here, we just want to make sure that the Nvidia Display Container LS and Nvidia Local System Containers are both running and automatic. So right-click that and select Properties. And we just want to make sure that the startup type here is automatic. And if you see that it's currently stopped, select Start. So do that with both of these services, Automatic and Start. Then close the services, reboot your computer, and hopefully by then when you go back to the Nvidia Control Panel, the display settings are now showing. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Nvidia Control Panel display settings missing or not showing up. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.